Hi everyone, this is Mark from Valid8, and today we're going to be talking about P25, which is the suite of standards for communication systems for first responders and public safety. So firstly, let's take a look at the network diagram. Here you'll see the customer subscriber unit communicating to the Valid8 CSS via two RF subsystems. And let's take a look. So here we have the Valid8 web-based application for conformance and load testing. So for this demonstration will be conformance. And here the user will be prompted to select the configuration file, which pretty much allows you to test against specific nodes of the P25 implementation. On this page, you will have to select an environment file, which can be easily duplicated and manipulated to more customize your conformance testing experience. So for this tutorial, we will be doing default CSSI cap and just load here. This usually takes about a minute or so. And we scroll down. Actually, instances shows you all the active parts of this particular P25 implementation. And right here, you'll see the status of those instances. So we'll see the DOT is ready to go, but the conformance tester is not yet ready. So we scroll down a little bit. Here's where we can select the various test cases to run. On the right side, you can see filters, and it'll filter out various test cases depending on which ones that you need to run at that moment. So for this demonstration, we're going to be doing 3.1.1 CSSI CSS, and hit load. So here you'll see that the green button has been grayed out, so that shows that the test has in fact loaded. And up here on the test map, it shows that so far, oh, it just switched. The test has in fact passed. So now to take a look at our results, we go to Analyze, Report. And up here you'll see the summary, just a basic summary of what config you used and what product you're using. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the tests that you ran and what steps along those tests that had passed and failed, as well as a detailed list of the steps and if those ones passed. So on the bottom right down here, you can click the Captivate button, which downloads a PCAP of the test you just ran. And here you can see the SIP messages coming in, register, and they contain all the information. Take a look at. Another thing you can do with the Valid8 web-based application is if we go back to the home page and scroll down a little bit, you can actually select multiple tests and run them all in one single batch. And so you'll see them all start slowly coming up on the test map. But when we go back to report, you can also now take a separate PCAP of that test that had passed as well. If you'd like more info or have any questions, please visit valid8.com and we can assist you with all your conformance testing needs.